Let's look at the fonts.css file that is generated automatically by the service. This file already includes your font connection using @fontface, but you still need to download the font files yourself. If this font is not available in Google Fonts, you will see a neat warning. It may also mean a mistake in the font name. The Google Fonts import is generated automatically. The @fontface import is commented out. If you need it, you can uncomment it and connect the font files manually. Now, pay attention. For font names that contain 2 or more words, you must carefully check the full path, the font name, and the file extension. Why? Because you must include the fonts folder in the path. And between the words in the font name, you need to use an underscore. Here, we add the fonts folder to the path and carefully add the underscore. Also, if you open the fonts folder, you may see that the font names are not 400 or 500, but bold, extra bold, or medium. You need to check the extension, replace it with .ttf, and check the format. In our case, for TTF, we set the format to true type. After that, you can upload everything back to the service. Here are your fonts, and here is your fonts folder with all font files. You can always upload this folder with the rest of the files. Let's look at this file as an example and see what happens if you don't connect the fonts and your design font is narrower than the default font. This does not happen often, but sometimes it does. Here you can see that the whole layout shifts. Because of this, other parts of the layout may also break. How can we fix it? Option 1. You export and connect your design fonts. Option 2. You find the root and reduce the base font size by 1 pixel. After that, the layout goes back to the correct position. You don't need to save these changes. They are temporary. You will load the fonts later. This just allows you to continue working without layout issues.